I'm testing out a new tripod, so far so good. Anyways, hey YouTubes. It's me, Chloe, the No Tics Coach. I literally just got done finishing the client, and it occurs to me that I did not talk to you all, not just about, of course, I've been putting a lot of airbrush videos up. You see the mini course. So let's talk about why we have the mini course. We have the mini course because there's also a airbrush beginners course. So if you're new to airbrushing, if you are new to the nail industry and you're like, girl, I really want to airbrush and I just don't know what to do and what to use, then you're going to want the airbrush beginners course. The airbrush beginners course is 20 plus lessons. It was originally 14 and then I added 6 more if you watch the other ones, and I'll link that video so that you can watch the mini course here. You can see my teacher style and you're like, oh, okay, yeah, I can learn from her. But I'm going to express to you this. After being in the nail industry for 21 years, it is very evident to me a lot of the reasons why new nail techs do not have the clientele that they're looking for. One, you're not doing the nails that the clients are looking for. It actually doesn't have anything to do with price point, because if you think about it, if you're on Facebook and you're in any of those groups where they're like what I wanted versus what I got, the girls that are getting those nails are literally spending bank on those nails and still not getting what they want. So what you can do is you can offer, one, the nail art that they're looking for, which is airbrush. If you look up my salon, Glam Nails by Chloe in San Antonio, and look up Glam airbrush nails in San Antonio, I'm gonna come to the top of the list because I am like in the search engine for that, right? That's why I ended up doing a lot more with airbrush and offering these type of nails in my salon, because you see all my stuff, but because I needed to do something to stand apart from what everybody else was doing. Everybody else doing the same basic ombres and auroras, but when they look at because my Instagram shows up, your Instagram shows up when they Google your business. When they look at it, they're like, oh, she can do some crazy work with airbrush. And that allows me to get a bigger group of people that are interested in making appointments. And we're going to show some screenshots of people messaging me trying to get appointments. If you want this to be you, and you want this to be you, you're working in 9 to 5, or you're working a regular job, but you got your nail license, and what's happening is your regular job is not giving you the freedom to get your nail job popping, but you don't have the skill set to get the nail job popping. Maybe you just got out of school, you're just not sure, maybe you're not super artistic, you don't know, like, oh, I can't really draw like that. You can airbrush it. Believe me, babes, you can airbrush it, and the peoples are looking. It is a trend that's not dying, and I've been around since they used to do it back in the early 90s. Before there was even airbrush gel, before there was even gel polish, it was just regular polish, and we were doing nail art with acrylic paint. That's how old I am. Let me tell you, you want to do this technique. You do. Think about it like this. You're sitting in your salon suite. Maybe you got it prematurely, and your clients are coming, but it's just enough to cover the booth rent. So any new stuff that you're buying it thinking that it's going to entice the people, but it's not working. The people are looking for more technique, more skill. The girls that are doing nail art for 3 and 4 hours, they're pulling in bank for that 3-4 hour nail art. So the people are not worried about the time. The people want to work with the nail techs that have the skills. So what I'm telling you is, down below in the description, I'm going to put the links to what you need to do. The call to action that you need to take, because we're at September, it's the last 4 months of 2025. You can literally still make big bank in these last 4 months. You gotta wait till January. Don't do it. Don't wait till January. Oh, I'm just gonna get restarted in January. Girl, why? We're here in September now. You're going to click on the link. You're going to get the course. I am going to mail you the stencils that go with the course. You have 12 months access, but I want you in there that first 2 weeks working, okay? What I also want you to do is probably take 3-4 days for your stencils to come. I ship same day typically. If I'm not in a salon, I'm back and forth between the house and the shop. I want you to watch everything through first before the stencils come. After you watch everything, listen to me good. After you watch everything, that's when I want you to break out your tips and get started on practicing. You're going to set up in the salon, and I'm going to grab it for you. This little nail board, you can get it from your local supply. If your local supply doesn't have it, if I can find a link for you to get it online, I'll put it down below. You're going to set this up, and for each of these nails, you're just going to put $5, right? And you're going to make these your promo nails, right? So people are going to see this when they sit down. It's at your station. They're like, oh, I want that one. That's how you're going to upsell. You're going to put that new airbrush, the new airbrush techniques that you learned from my class, and you're going to put them on here. And the people are going to go crazy, okay? You're going to post like, oh, these are the new designs in the shop for this week. Every time you add a new one, you're going to keep posting. And I want you to post it. Then I want you to post how many clients end up getting the work. Like I want you, this is Miss Shirley. Miss Shirley got this design and this design. Boom, who's next? Don't even say book with me. Don't say that. Don't say that. Who's next? Comment below. Don't say link in my bio. Comment below. Get mini chat, and it's an automatic responder. So they're going to comment next, and then you're going to automatically send them the link in their DMs so that they can book an appointment with you. Next. That's all they do. And then you send them your little chat bot, your new employee, go send them the link. After that, you're going to watch. You got 5 people a day. 5 people a day, and you upsell all 5 of them nail art for $10. So you made an extra $50. You do that 5 days a week. That's $250. You see where I'm going here? Now, the math is mathing. All you need to do is do it. Lock in. Everybody's saying out in it's September, lock in. No, but for real, it's September, lock in. Like it's September. What do we got? We just had Labor Day, so it's fall. Fall nail art about to go crazy. I got some new stuff coming from another company, and I'll be posting some videos with that because I'm always looking for some people to work with. Then you got October. September and October, you can do Halloween nail art all the way through, like, almost Thanksgiving. The girls love a Halloween nail art. They love a Halloween nail art. They do. Okay? After this video, I'm going to do a little mini commercial, and it's going to show all of the designs that you learn in the class. I want you to watch it. Get up close. All of the stencils for all the designs in the class are going to be in the stencil plaque plus the lace. So, this is an unheard of class technique as far as giving you the education and sending you the stencils. Google it. There's nobody else doing it. There's not. And I know the people. They already blocked me. They don't want me sharing with you. But let me explain something to you. You're going to start. You're going to buy it today. By the time you get those stencils, we'll say post office is slow a week later. You've already been and watched it twice. Right? You already been and watched it twice. Then you're going to start watching it and doing it with the stencils and with your airbrush. Listen. I don't want to hear I can't. Listen, though I can't out the window. You can and you will. The whole point of this is to set up the board and upsell. And I want you to upsell at least each client at least $5 to $10 in nail art and do it every day. And since you don't need the money, don't spend it. Put it in your high yield savings account. I'll link my favorite below. And you just stack that. Because the economy is kind of weird right now. So we're going to have to build our cushion up. Okay? So all the money you make from nail art needs to go in your high yield savings account. Now, if you're working an intermediate job, like you're working this job and they're not giving you a good schedule, giving you a variable schedule, this is what we're going to do. You're going to go to the salon and you're going to work. You're just going to be there in the space and you're going to post. These are the designs. Whenever you're there, I'm going to be in the salon today from 10 to 6. This is the art that I'm doing. Y'all coming? Come on. Taking walk-ins. And they're going to start showing up. Who's coming? Comment next. Or comment coming. Use the mini chat. Link it up. Send them your booking link. Send them the salon's booking link. And you're going to build your book that way. You got 4 months. You do this straight for at least 30 days. You in there. You give it 60 days. It's golden. You give it 90 days. You quitting that other job. Believe me. 21 years I've been doing nails. I haven't worked an actual job. Oh my God. I don't even remember when. I don't. So, this is a different type of video, I know. The mini commercial is going to follow this. You'll get to see all the menagerie of things that you will learn in the beginner's airbrush course. And it's called beginners because whether you're just starting, whether you're getting back in the salon, you haven't been here in a minute, whether you're like, I need to add something new, you're beginning a new phase of your nail career by deciding, because this is a decision that we're making. I made a decision to share what I know, and you're making a decision to learn. The decision that we're making is to upgrade ourselves. Okay? So watch the mini commercial. I'm gonna link it somewhere on the screen. And then you can get bookings like those screenshots that I showed earlier. And it's gonna be awesome. Okay? So like, share, subscribe, and tune in for the next one. I got some cool stuff that I got. I'm gonna do a little mini haul. And then I think the mini haul is next, and it's 2 of them. Yeah, and the mini commercial. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Let's make this. We can make this happen. We're working together.